how air pressure affects the water flow. The things that we need for this experiment is a bottle filled with water and a pushpin. First, we're gonna poke some holes on the side of the bottle. See, the water doesn't come out, but if we open the cap, the water comes out. See? Now let's do this prank on my brother. Nero, can you help me open this bottle? Okay. What was this? I poked some holes on the side of the bottle and I tricked you.
Then why didn't it came out first when the cap was on? The bottle cap was on.
You might think that poking holes on the side of the bottle causes the water to leak. But water needs air pressure to come out of the holes. When the lid was on, the air didn't get through. The tiny holes aren't that big for the air to get through it. When the lid was uncapped, the air got through it. Due to the air pressure and gravity, the water got pushed and came out of the holes. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel
For more upcoming learning activities. Thanks for watching.